Hello, I'm Kodi. I will show you how I support both parents and kids. Good morning, Jamie. How was your night?
I'm still sleepy.
Do you know what the opposite of being sleepy is?
Full of energy.
Time for breakfast. Do you know why Pluto isn't a planet anymore?
It isn't? It turned out too small.
That's right. They discovered many objects in the solar system the size of Pluto and decided they are too small to be called planets.
Pluto will always be a planet in my heart.
Kodi, let's draw Pluto for my moment. Could you help me? Let's draw
Jamie, you're home. Come and join me in our happy dance.
Dos zanahorias, por favor.
Aquí tienes, Kodi.
Now your turn.
Una piña, por favor.
Let's play music, Chloe. Come join us. Your turn, Chloe.
Okay, let's see what you've accomplished with Kodi today. You drew Pluto. I can tell by the heart shape on it.
It's for you.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best. Alrighty, time to sleep. Kodi, turn off the lights. Good night, boys.
Good night,
Good night,
Mom.
Mwah.
It's just Walter. Jamie, keep sleeping. I'm on guard.
I wish I could spend more quality time with my daughter, but work, work, work. And Kodi can do things I can't, like teaching foreign languages. It also develops imaginations and intelligence.
I appreciate that I can keep an eye on my toddlers through Kodi and get updates.
The best thing is how Kodi recognizes the strongest and the weakest asset of kids.
My boy called him Super Snail.
I am Super Snail and I will save the universe.
I love the way Kodi talks to children. He's warm, gentle, loving, such a sweetheart. Anna loved Kodi. She said he's like a fairy godpapa.
Anna. I love Anna.
You see? So when can I get Kodi?
Kodi develops your kids' unique talents and strengthens their weakest assets. It plays imaginative games with your children, encourages them to invent their own stories, to draw, dance, or role-play. What else? Kodi teaches your kid to play instruments. This stimulates creativity and supports language learning, and it's a lot cheaper than language school. Kodi also supports parents by building their child's self-reliance. And above all, it will look after your kid. You can see through Kodi's eyes or call your child anytime you want.
So, you already met Kodi. Quite a character, isn't he? I'm Paweł Zarzycki, CEO of Smart Life Systems, a company that built this little fella. And this is Kasia Zemła, our product manager. We noticed a lack of product that offers interactive, stimulating dialogue focusing on cognitive child's development.
So our goal was to produce an intelligent robot toy that is not limited to few implemented scenarios. Together with parents and the best child psychologists, we developed an AI with unlimited potential. We know that parents and kids will love Kodi, so that we are starting crowdfunding campaign to launch it on the market. So if you want your little genius to benefit from a friendship with Kodi, support our campaign and let's make it happen.